Going on, you guys? Nick here with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the nice and good working Samsung Movie Maker on your Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus. So Samsung in the Android P update removed Movie Maker, silently removed Movie Maker from the Note 9 and other Samsung devices. And I previously made a video showing how to get that video on the Note 9. The same exact process will work for the Note 10 and 10 Plus. But this video's main purpose is to kind of clarify some of the steps because I did get some questions about how to download the file. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to the link in the description for this video, and what it will take you to is actually a link to my blog, and you'll see the link to the APK right here, Samsung Movie Maker download. You just hit download, click that link, and then it's tempting to click this link up here, download with a VPN, which I think is what they actually want you to do. But the correct download link is just right here, this downward facing arrow pointing to what appears to be a hard drive, this blue button. They don't tell you what it is, which is kind of annoying, but this is what it is. You hit download, and it will download, and it will save it to downloads. And you can see it's put the 1 after this one because I have already downloaded it once before, but you'll see it will download, and then the next thing you need to do is hop on over to your File Explorer, which the Files app is included with every Galaxy device. It will be in your Downloads folder. You can click on the Samsung Movie Maker.apk right here, and you will likely get some warning before you get to this screen, but I've already done it once before, so I didn't get the warning about this application not being allowed to install other applications. All you have to do is hit Settings, enable it to install applications, and it'll bring you right back to this screen where you then click Install. It will install, and it almost looks like it hangs for a second here as if it's not going to install, but then it completes. You hit Open. You give it the permission to access your media files because obviously it can't do anything with movies you've recorded or videos you've recorded without access to that. And then it gives you this warning about end of service. It's no longer provided after the Android P update. All projects will be deleted. Be sure to export your projects as videos before updating your system software. Well, we are on Android P now, and we've reinstalled this application through other means, and it is working. This app I actually exported from my old device and then hosted on the website where you saw it hosted. So this is the official version of the app. So it will, of course, keep working. You can create a project down there, and then, of course, once you're done, you can export it and then upload it to YouTube. Why would you want to do this? Well, the Movie Maker app that Samsung replaced this one with is not nearly as good. It is not nearly as feature-filled. The only other comparable solution I found is to use Adobe Rush, and that costs $10 a month, which is absolutely ridiculous for a simple video editor to use on your Android device. I'm not going to pay $10 a month to use something like that, and you definitely shouldn't have to either. Anyway, if this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like. If you have questions about the process of getting this working on your phone, or how to install it or how to use it, you can leave those down below. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see videos like this and other videos that I post. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.